Hello everyone. In my video about DJI Mavic 3 thermal DJI Enterprise drone, if you saw previous video where I unboxed this drone, then you know that the second video is about starting this drone. For you probably this is another day, but for me this is the same day. After a few hours batteries are fully charged for a remote controller and also for drone. So let's start this drone for the first time. At first, quick small instruction for those who hasn't done this before. So for the remote controller we have two sticks here behind on the controller. We have to add them here. Of course it's for flying, for only checking the drone and turning it on and setting everything up. You don't need it to do. And next thing is you have to unfold the legs. Front legs opens like that and rear legs opens like that. These are for safety. Here you can open this lid, and here is Type-C charger and data port, and here is micro SD card slot. Micro SD card comes with the drone when you buy it, so this is very good addition for the drone. Usually if you start the drone you need to insert the battery. For newer DJI drones it's very good that batteries are going inside the drone. So the battery is full, remote controller is ready, drone is almost ready. So this is for safety. You have to remove it, and it's always quite difficult to understand how to remove it for the first time, but looks like this is the way, and the gimbal is downward when you add it on. So I will put it on afterwards, because when you turn the drone on this should be off and gimbal should be free. And before we turn the drone on, I will quickly show propellers. So every quadcopter has 4 wings, propellers, and always there are 2 options. You see there is gray ring and the black ring. So spots are marked. This is with this side and other propeller comes to this side. They attaches on different ways. 1 and 2. So these propellers are ready, but for the first test we don't, of course, need them. And now it is time for the first turn on. I quickly checked the manual but there is nothing different than other drones. So there is, for checking battery you press once, but when you want to turn the remote controller and drone on, you press one quickly and second long press. Remote controller is starting, and we are doing the same for the drone. Button on the battery. So at first we need to choose language, and for me it is going to be English. Terms of use, I agree. Wi-Fi, of course I need Wi-Fi for startup. I will choose mine, and now I'm going to enter passwords. For you it will be 1 second. I have set entered password for the Wi-Fi. Let's move on. I need to choose the time. My time is Helsinki or Athens. Helsinki. Okay. Time is correct. Okay, I have to log in again for you. 1 moment. Okay, I have entered the login information, and now I can activate my device. So I activated, and of course I do not want to join improvement project. Not now. And here it is. Welcome. Here is the guide to how to use the product. But I think I am pretty good at it. I know how to use it. So let's move on to check if everything is good to go for the first flight. So program is DJI Pilot 2. I'm familiar with Pilot first version for my previous enterprise drone. Read the maintenance notice before use, of course. Be aware of everything, how to store the drone, the batteries, how to charge properly. Following permissions. Okay, one-click authorization. Let's see what is here. Network security mode. Looks like we need everything here. Standard mode will be good. Okay. Again, DJI product improvement project, not now. And at first, again, some terms of use, and I saw already that it offers to activate C2 certificate, which is very important, at least for European Union. I read. Hardware module activation for the first time. Okay, next. Select your industry for better service. Wow, pretty much everything. I can skip this. I will skip. My aircraft information will be linked to my account and it serves as a proof of my warranty. I should confirm that the email is correct. Yes, it is, and I can press activate. I have to restart aircraft to complete the activation, and I can do this here. Okay. It is restarting. Let's see what is happening here. So some components are not activated. So I should activate. Let's activate. I should provide following information to activate the DJI Care service that comes with device. And it is my business drone, so I will provide the name of my business. I am ready to activate. It is succeeded and finished. Okay. Now I can apply for C2 class identification label. So for the new drones that are bought now in 2024 and probably some earlier Mavic 3 drones, so this option is going to happen automatically, and of course I need to apply for it. And let's go, because this is very important to fly safe and according to local laws. This is the application, label application. I have to add address, and here is product information. So it will ship, they will ship the label also to me. To meet the requirements of C2 certification, Mavic 3 Enterprise Series drone should go with low noise propellers, sold separately. Okay, how to check this, but let's fill in the address. Okay, this will be also second for you, some more time for me. Okay, I have added an address, tick in here, and let's submit. Application received, and here is application number, and I can track my application if I want to. Okay. Looks like we are ready to check the application and the information about DJI Care, and also I should put on some updates here before the first flight. It looks like I have some DJI Care here. Let's see what does this means. So I can see my total flight time and duration, count, activation date, and here are some maintenance details about the drone. For other drones I haven't seen information like this. There are also some maintenance rules. I should check it more deeply later on. And there is option to buy some maintenance program. And what about DJI Care? Okay, I am covered by DJI Care Enterprise Basic. I have 2 replacements when I buy DJI Enterprise. I can also renew it for more years. There are some exclusive benefits. I can replace after accidents or water damage. Some fee, of course, is necessary. Warranty and guaranteed quality. Okay. At least for a year I have some safety here. Let's check if I click here. I can renew DJI Care Enterprise for €500. I can buy Casco insurance for less than €200. for 1 year, so insurance with all included is more than 2 times cheaper than DJI Care, so I will choose that kind of insurance for my drone. Okay, I have to check some settings. Altitude looks like in feet, but I need meters for me. Okay, let's get in updates and check what we need to do to start the drone for the first time, and then let's check the application deeper in another video. Let's get to update everything here before the start, and I suppose these are last steps before we can fly properly. And of course we need to check all this stuff here, because probably we need to calibrate something before the first start. Avionics looks like it's out of proper order, so we also have to check it after. I have to update all. Aircraft. I will update all devices at a time. Let's see how quickly it is going to be. At first it is going to download, and then installation process will begin. It is almost 12:30, so let's see how much time it will take. While the updating process is ongoing, do not turn off your device. Okay, first updates are done. It took around 15 minutes, few restarts, everything was automatically, and everything came up to this screen. And this screen already was here once, so let's take OK, not now to improvement program, and OK, some news. OK, let's see what is happening here. There are some cautions here. Okay, this caution was there, and firmware is latest. Let's see what else is here. Battery. Okay. Fly-safe database. No local data. Switch to DJI data source. Okay, and we need to update database for FlySafe, and let's update. Now there is also option to upload it by yourself if you have local database. This FlySafe database also are in other drones, so this is nothing new. New option is that you can add by yourself. If you would add by yourself, of course you can get more precise information, but as we don't have such information, I will use the same as usual. And let's wait for some moment while it is updating. Again, after some 15 minutes, FlySafe database has been updated. And now we have to check this caution here. So what does avionics mean here? Okay, loading dynamic safety database failed. Geo awareness function degraded. There is still some issue about FlySafe database here. Let's check it out. Okay, let's continue video. I couldn't find the problem yet, so let's continue with another stuff. Probably it will solve by itself. So next thing what we should do, we need to link the remote controller to the drone, so probably it will solve some problems here. Let's get into camera view, and so new enterprise drones, when entering camera view, already allows user to check some pre-flight stuff and safety things. So usual, check your return to home altitude, maximum altitude, check if you need maximum flight distance, what to do after signal is lost between remote controller and drone, add home point options, and other stuff usually is not changing, at least for me. So we can go into camera view, and also I found a place where to change some settings. So there are common settings here in the corner, and you can go here and change your units. I need matrix and I need Celsius. You can add your device name and what the drone says. There should be FlySafe database update options, and in other drones it is here, so probably we need to link remote controller to drone to get this option here. So we are doing the linking. Linking is completed, so I pressed the link button here, and I needed to press a button on a battery for 5 seconds, and linking is done automatically. So let's move to the next things here. In this video I won't go through the app, I will only check the things before the first flight. So remote controller and the drone is linked. We have checked all safety options, which are also here in common settings afterwards when you enter camera view, and practically you are ready to go, but still we need to solve the problem here. I restarted the aircraft and remote controller, and when I got back into camera view, so it shows that I need to bind a controller with my aircraft, and because this is a new device, so I need to press the bind, and I have to log in my account, and it is ready to go. Bound is successful, and let's see if there is option to update fly safe database. No, it is not here. Okay, I suppose we have gone through all the steps to get to the first flight. Caution doesn't mean you can't fly. Probably there is solution on the field, because here at home I can't find anything and anywhere to change something about this caution, so I will check it when I will be outside. Hello, I have straight update from the outside, from the work field. I did first test with Mavic 3 thermal, and my theory was right. When I arrived here, first turned the drone on, and I could make updates for a dynamic fly safe database. So it took me for maybe 2 minutes, and everything was updated and ready to go. So don't be afraid if this caution stays on when you first turn your drone and start up at home. Later on you can everything fix at the field. Of course you need your internet with you from your phone. But now I hope this video was useful and informative to you to set the drone for the first flight, and thank you for watching. There probably will be more videos. I would like to show you the app, what you can do with this drone through the look of the app, because when I was interested of buying this drone I couldn't find proper video of information that is in the application and what this drone is capable of. So thank you for watching, stay tuned, press like, subscribe for the channel, and see you in another videos. Goodbye.